Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I will introduce app. It's called QANDA AI Homework Assistant. So basically this is education app, or you can say study guides, where you can learn many things. And you can see here AI, your AI assistant, snap and get help anytime as you study or do homework. So let's see the quick info about this app. You can see here the rating of the app 3.9 out of 5 and 7 lakh reviews, and you can see 49 megabyte size of the app, and more than 50 million plus already use this app. So let's see the main feature about this app. So you can see here the amount of study it's grown. You can see here I don't know the problem, so you just need to capture the problem, like it can be math or anything, then upload here and you will get instant solution explaining the concept step by step solution. You can see here the exact solution process check at a glance. So you can see here, and just snap any subject and it creates a quiz. You can see here like all the things and materials, they explain it for make you easy. So if you want to learn more about this app, which type of feature, you can see AI search and instant solution, detailed explanation and checkpoints, and there are many facilities you can read before installing. And the app is released almost 10 years ago, and many people give the ratings here. The app is best to learn your subject, so you can see here. So I'll create more video how to use this app. So today's no man, see you in the next video.